If you love modern geometric quilts, efficient sewing, and fat quarter friendly quilt patterns, then this is for you. Hi, I'm Emily from Homemade Emily Jane, and today I am very excited to share with you the newest quilt pattern in my collection. This is the Modular Quilt Pattern. It was designed specifically to make very efficient use of fat quarters and also to be easy and simple to sew. It features a technique that I have come to love called strip piecing, where you start off by cutting strips and sewing the strips together, and then you cut those units down, which saves so much time when making your patchwork quilts. Now, whether you are a beginner quilter or a more seasoned sewist that just kind of wants a little bit of a brain break, the Modular Quilt Pattern is one I would highly recommend. I've made a couple samples and I'll share more with you later, but the beautiful thing is that you can use any fat quarter bundle to make the modular quilt. The ones I've made feature a classic white background fabric and then fat quarters for the accent colors. But if you want to make it even a little bit more scrappy looking, you could use a complete fat quarter bundle and sort them into lighter colors for the background and darker colors for the accent fabrics, and then it would be entirely made out of fat quarters if you choose to. The modular quilt pattern includes 3 sizes: baby, throw, and bed size. The throw size is behind me today. Of course, it is block based as well. Each fat quarter for accent fabric ends up making 2 quilt blocks. So 2 fat quarters could equal 2 quilt blocks as well if you wanted to make it a different size than listed in the pattern. Next up, I'll share with you the full fabric requirements for all 3 sizes here on the screen. As I mentioned, it's very easy to swap out extra fat quarters for the background fabric for a little bit of a scrappier look. Just double the accent fabric and then you'll have the exact fabric requirements that you need. If you like strip piecing like in the modular pattern, you might also enjoy some of my other quilt patterns. I also have the doubled up quilt pattern, which is very similar in size and shapes. And then I also have the linear quilt pattern. Both of these patterns use a strip piecing technique, which makes them more efficient than they look. I'll put links in the description below where you can find more information about the doubled up quilt pattern as well as the linear quilt pattern, and of course lots of information about the modular quilt pattern too. All of my quilt patterns here at Homemade Emily Jane include detailed instructions as well as lots of diagrams to help you follow along visually as well. One thing I love about making the modular quilt is that all of the seams can be nested, so you don't have to press any seams open. All of the seams are pressed to the side and then nested together so that it helps make those points extra crisp. For making the modular quilt, you really don't need any extra fancy tools. You can use just the basic sewing tools as a quilter. However, there is one thing that I do find makes the process a little bit more easy. I personally love using my Stripology XL quilting ruler for making pretty much any strip pieced quilt, and modular is no exception. If you want to learn more about using a Stripology ruler, check out this tutorial to help guide you through everything you need to know about how to get started with a Stripology ruler. It's one of my favorite quilting tools for cutting squares, rectangle strips, and of course for strip piecing too. If you are brand new to quilting, check out the link in the description below for my Shop My account. I have set up lists of all of my favorite quilting tools, and I have a list dedicated for beginner quilting essentials. So if you're brand new to quilting, definitely check it out. If you are a more seasoned quilter, you should still take a look. Let me know if there are any beginner quilting essentials that you personally would love to recommend as well. And check out my quilting gadgets list or maybe even my sewing room list. There are lots of different shoppable lists, and I hope you love them. So now let me share with you about the 2 sample quilts I made for the modular pattern. First up is the one on the cover. This is this bright, cheerful, beautiful modular quilt featuring some pinks, purples, golds, and shades of blue as well. I thought this was really fun, and I always go with solids for the cover quilt because it's the most timeless. This quilt was made using fabrics from my stash, so I don't have fabric bundles or the exact fabrics listed for you, but I do have a lot of different fabric bundles using fat quarters over in my shop. So if you like my general theme of these bright, cheerful, happy colors, I have quite a few bright, cheerful, happy fat quarter bundles that you can check out. A little bit more about this quilt. It was long arm quilted by Megan at Northern Designs, Minnesota, and I'll put a link to her website below. She accepts long arm quilts from all over the country. You can just mail them to her and she will long arm them and mail them back. I've really enjoyed working with her throughout many of my different quilts. My other sample modular quilt was also quilted by Megan. This is a patriotic red, white, and blue modular quilt that I made using, again, just fat quarters from my stash. I picked out half of the fat quarters blue, half of them red, and then I mixed them up when I did the blocks. I arranged them so that it would still look a little bit more random. But if you look closely, you can tell that each row has 2 blue and 2 red, and they are strategically placed. If you want to do another similar quilt where you're using 2 main colors of accent fabrics, I recommend a layout similar to this. So whether you use solids like I did or you use some fun prints, any fat quarter bundle would be perfect for making your modular quilt. If you want to learn more about the modular quilt pattern or find out more details about either of my sample quilts, I'll drop links to my blog where I post all of that information. I hope you'll grab the modular quilt pattern either as a PDF download or the printed booklet over in my shop, and maybe grab a fat quarter bundle while you're over there too. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment below and of course subscribe here on YouTube. In the meantime, happy sewing!